Situated on prime waterfront land in the prestigious WindRiver Lakefront and golf community, this is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and tranquility. Welcome to 916 Castaway Lane, this stunning Tudor-style home where timeless charm meets modern luxury. Step inside, and you'll find the first of 4 bedrooms, currently reimagined as a home office, complete with a full bathroom, ideal for work or guests. As you move further into the home, the great room welcomes you with soaring ceilings, elegant new plantation shutters, and panoramic views of the pool and sparkling lake beyond. It's the perfect space for both relaxation and entertaining. Just beyond the great room lies the heart of the home, the expansive kitchen, boasting a large island with bar seating, top-of-the-line appliances, and ample counter space. This kitchen is a chef's dream, ready to inspire your culinary creations. The main level also features the luxurious master suite, a true sanctuary. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the spacious shower or unwind in the separate jacuzzi-style tub. His and her closets provide plenty of storage, while the bedroom itself is bathed in natural light, creating a serene retreat. Now, let's head upstairs to discover even more. The upper level offers a hallway overlook that connects you to the great room below, along with a cozy media room, perfect for movie nights or entertaining friends. Two additional guest bedrooms await, each offering generous space for rest and relaxation. They share a convenient Jack and Jill bathroom, combining privacy and functionality. But the magic doesn't stop indoors. Step outside to your private oasis. Whether you're lounging on the covered screen porch, taking a refreshing dip in the pool, or soaking in the large hot tub under the stars, this backyard is designed for making memories. Located in the WindRiver community, this home offers access to top-tier amenities, including a private golf course, swimming pool, and clubhouse. It's a lifestyle of effortless enjoyment and timeless elegance. 916 Castaway Lane is waiting for you. Schedule your showing today.